Welcome to our channel. Today we are covering questions of ServiceNow, Service Mapping and Discovery. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this content helpful, please let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. To get the complete list of questions and answers, click on the playlist link provided in the description. Our question is, describe the purpose of ServiceNow Discovery MID server cluster. How are MID cluster configured and in what scenario they are applied for optimizing the scalability and reliability of discovery process? Your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery MID cluster involve the configuration of clusters to optimize the scalability and reliability of the discovery process. MID server cluster are configured through platform and are applied in the scenario where organizations have large scale and distributed IT infrastructure. This feature allows administrators to create cluster of MID server, enabling load balancing, fault tolerance, and efficient distribution of discovery tasks. MID server cluster contribute to the scalability and resilience of the discovery process in an environment with diverse and geographically distributed resources. Moving to the next question. Explain the role of ServiceNow Discovery REST API authentication. How is REST API authentication configured and in what scenario is it applied for securing and controlling access to the ServiceNow Discovery REST API? Our next question, the answer to this question is ServiceNow Discovery REST API authentication involves the configuration of authentication settings to secure and control access to the ServiceNow Discovery REST API. REST API authentication is configured through the platform and is applied in the scenario where organizations want to ensure that only authorized users or systems can interact with the Discovery REST API. This feature supports various authentication methods such as API tokens, OAuth, or basic authentication, providing flexibility in implementing security measures to protect the integrity of confidentiality of the discovery data. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certification, you can get the list of valid and updated question and answer from the link provided in the description. Our next question is, describe the purpose of ServiceNow Discovery Auto Discovery Schedules. How are Auto Discovery Schedules configured and in what scenario are they applied for automating and scheduling the discovery process? As a ServiceNow developer, your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery Auto Discovery Schedules involve the configuration of schedules to automate and schedule the discovery process. Auto discovery schedules are configured through the platform and are applied in the scenario where organizations want to establish recurring and automated discovery tasks. This feature allows administrators to define schedules based on specific times, intervals, or conditions, ensuring that the discovery process runs at predefined times or in response to the changes in the IT environment. Auto discovery schedules contribute to the efficiency and consistency of the discovery process. Next one. Explain the concept of ServiceNow Discovery multi-cloud environment support. How does multi-cloud environment support contribute to the discovering and mapping dependencies in the diverse cloud platform? Your answer should be ServiceNow Discovery multi-cloud environment supports cloud and configuration to settings to discover the map dependencies in diverse cloud platform. Multi-cloud environment support is configured through the platform and is applied in the scenario where organizations use multi-cloud providers or platforms. This feature allows administrators to configure discovery settings that support the unique characteristics of API in different cloud environments, ensuring that the service map accurately represents dependencies and relationships across the various cloud platforms. If you are preparing for any of the ServiceNow based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested question and answer from the link provided in the description. Thank you.